Yo, what's up everybody? It's John Johnson. I'm back in John's Garage. Today it's going to be an upper body workout. It's going to be 60 minutes. So I'm going to get it in, do what I have to do, and get it going, okay? Meaning I got something else to do. I can't work out every day, all day. So let's get it in. I'll be talking to you throughout the video and at the end for an overview. Let's go. Things are going good today. I feel a little soreness in this shoulder right here, a little soreness right there. So I'm not going to spend too much time on that, and I might even skip some of my shoulders exercises just to not put any more strain on that part. But I will continue this bench, and I'm not going to go down because I'm not getting past that 405. So I'm not gonna go under that. So I'm gonna try to work out with that. Maybe 2 to 3 reps is my goal for 3 more sets, and then I'm moving on to the next exercise. Let me finish resting up. Yo, I'm not getting past that 2 reps on that, what's that, 365. I haven't benched in about a week, so that could be the issue. But we're gonna keep on moving and just chop this up as one of my down days and keep moving. Let's get it in. 1 more set, then we're gonna go to the next exercise. Yo, we got about 44 minutes left in this 60-minute workout, and I'm stopping right there because I can feel that in my shoulders, and I don't want to do any damage. So we'll see what happens next week when I get back to my bench on a regular 2 to 3 times a week. I should be able to pick back up. So other than that, let's keep moving. I'm doing my 3-minute break and moving to the next exercise, which is hammer curls. Yo, that was nice right there. The drop sets, hammer curls with the dumbbells. And I did pick up some more dumbbells. I got the 55s, the 40, the 35. I do have some 30s. And I'm just going to keep adding as I see them in Walmart or wherever. I'm just picking them up if they got them in a set. So let's do one more set of that, then we'll move into the next exercise. Yo, those hammer curls had me burned in. So we're gonna take a 3-minute break. I couldn't get through that last drop set up and down, but that's okay. I added, I went back down to 40 after I couldn't get the 5 on the 55s. Let's take a break. The next thing is dips. Yo, the dips went pretty good. Now moving on to my shrugs. Got about maybe 30 minutes or 27 minutes left in this 60-minute workout. So I'm moving, and I got several things left on the list, and I might be able to add something else. Let me take this 3-minute break and move on. I did those shrugs and the upright rows back to back, minimal rest in between, maybe 15 to 30 seconds. It was a little fatiguing. I couldn't get all the way through on that last set, but I'm glad that I made some progress. So let's take this 3-minute break, and we got about 14 minutes left in this 60-minute workout. We're getting a lot done today, and it doesn't take that long to do good work. Let's move it. Let's move and get to the next. Let's keep it moving. some good progress. The the hypers went pretty good. I haven't done that in a long time, and I didn't want to hold back, so I went all the way up to 3 plates and just kept doing things, did some drop sets, and I wanted to get the back acclimated to doing that particular exercise. So it's about a little under 5 minutes left, and I'm about to get these V-sets in. And I'm about to do I'm going to do an ab set. Hanging abs, the V-sits. All right, that was a great 60-minute workout in John's Garage. I enjoyed myself. I did feel some pressure in my shoulders, and I accommodated for that. I don't want to push beyond my physical limits sometimes if you have a little injury. Although that wasn't my max, I actually did feel it in the lower sets too, so I kind of fell back, and that's okay. So make your adjustments, push yourself when it's time to push yourself, but don't push yourself if you're hurt, okay? If you feel some pain, unnatural pain, unusual pain, don't try to push through that. Be smart. If you have to go to the therapist, go to the therapist. Check yourself out. Let your body heal. Listen to that communication. Other than that, I think the workout was really good. I powered through a lot of things. I think I did 6 exercises, and for the last ab session, I ended right on time, you guys. It's like as soon as I was done with that last set, the timer went off. So I'm glad that I went through this more of a moderate workout today. Not too heavy, but more of a muscular endurance, like keeping it moving and getting in as much as possible. So I want you to continue to go on this journey with me as we level up together in John's Garage. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this channel, like this video, click on that notification icon, and follow me on Instagram. Until next time, my friends, I'll see you in John's Garage as we level up together. Take it easy. One take. I'm getting better at this, you guys. Peace.